This year we're trying a Hugelkultur garden experiment. Hauled a few tons of old logs, rotten logs, and debris from the forest. Piled it up in rows, buried it with dirt. We started the project in the autumn, actually right after planting last year. And so it's been piled up here for a while, getting ready for planting. We put the topsoil on, we're just watering it down right now, testing the watering system. We're using a gravity flow siphon pump process that allows us to take low water pressure from a tank up on the hill there, run it downhill to these tubs, which act as siphon pumps. When they fill up, they will drain rapidly and create a nice spray effect on the plant area. This is an experiment using a rain gauge system to actually create a pulse so that if the water pressure is too low, we can still activate the siphon. Here we have our nutrient container, various compost tea materials and whatnot that we can use to fertilize the plants. And that's going to be tied into the flow system at some point. Here's the beginnings of the flow control valves and remote access to all of the valves and control systems. Eventually there'll be some temperature monitoring and soil condition monitoring. Really what we're trying to achieve is higher nitrogen content, which is an issue out here on the island, which the ground is mostly clay, sand in this area of Nanaimo. Mostly, a couple inches of topsoil and that's it at the most. So we're trying to use a hugelkultur setup to boost our nitrogen. These logs, some of these logs that are buried here have been in the forest for 20-30 years. And those are the type of logs you need to get a first year production out of your hugelkultur. Water garden. Fill tank. Water vines. Hear a voice. Cancel vines. Cancel garden. Start self-test.
Time is October 10th, 2015, 4:50:39 p.m. Conditions as follows. Well full, tank ready for fill, all systems okay.
Stop all.
Well valve Tank spout.